In my previous video, we will discuss how the age of Chaucer really important for in our British history. But today we will discuss age of revival. So age of revival lasted from 1400 AD to 1500 AD. We also known as age of revival as the Dark Age. हम क्यों जानते हैं इसको डार्क एज के नाम से? बिकॉज आफ्टर द एज ऑफ चौसर देर विल बी नो सच type of great literature has been flourished in England. Only only during this time period, only the writers imitate and follow up Chaucer. In Scotland, those writers follow Chaucer, that will be known as Scottish Chaucerians, and in England that will be known as British Chaucerians. These are Robert Henderson, Thomas Hockley, and William Dunbar, and many more. This type of theme they included. Themes love, chivalry, heroic, this type of, even the religious literature has been flourished. The church has now become the center of every activity. Even the drama has been flourished. The morality, miracles, and the mystery plays has been introduced in England, through which the moral lesson has been taught in the society. So after that, what will be happen? In previous video, I will talk you how the War of Roses, 100-year wars, and the Black Death impact England economy, and the social changes have been done. But one major changes that will be happen in England during this time period is the introduction of printing press by William Caxton in 1472. आफ्टर दैट जो हमारा प्रिंटिंग प्रेस के आने के बाद जो हमारा लिटरेचर है वो प्रिंटेड के थ्रू, बुक्स के थ्रू बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लरिश होने लगे. तो वी ऑल्सो नो द एज ऑफ रिवाइवल बिकॉज जो क्लासिकल लर्निंग थी, क्लासिकल टेक्स्ट थे हमारे, वो रिवाइव होने स्टार्ट हो गए थे. And we also know that the age of revival as the beginning of Renaissance. So thank you for watching. Hope so you like my video. So to know more ages and more concept in easy way, so then subscribe my channel.